Hey everybody, it's Mark again on this Kundo clock that I bought at the Mammoth Springs, Arkansas auction last Friday. It's been ticking away for over 2 hours. The pendulum is a little bit, I don't know, vibrating a little bit. I know I got my attic fan on, and that's why I have the dome on. As I was telling you, if you got a fan on, it will mess up with your trying to put the clock in beat. But I'm not an expert in these anniversary clocks. It's been several years since I worked on them. Derek Torsion is my group expert from my Facebook group. That's what he does for a living. If you have any questions, I would suggest you contacting Derek. You can find him on YouTube under Torsion Dell. I put the link to his YouTube account on the very first of this video in the description. But now that I got this one halfway up and running, I'm going to ask Derek a few questions about it, about the pendulum. How, I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can hold still. To me, it's not spinning around evenly without bounce, maybe. I don't know what the correct wording for that is, but the clock is sitting here ticking away, and I didn't want to. The movement was clean. I didn't want to take it apart if I didn't have to. I got plenty of other clocks I could work on, but I was just wanting to do something different, and doing this video is something different. And people contact me all the time on cuckoo clocks and cuckoo quail clocks. I've been spending the last few years on learning how to repair cuckoo clocks that now I'm considered an expert in a lot of people's eyes, and I do help out a lot of people on their clocks, to include novelty clocks, Lux clocks. I have a lot of videos on quarter-hour cuckoo clocks, novelty clocks, a few on Lux clocks, but most of my videos are on repairing cuckoo clocks. But anyway, I might just get back into repairing these torsion clocks again, as I do have quite a few that I would like to see ticking away again. I said this before. After my divorce, my stuff was in storage for over 5 years, and I would have them all up and running, except for when you get the antique bug, for some reason you have to buy another clock and another clock. You got to have that fixed. And I definitely have the antique bug, because I'm constantly buying more clocks. So anyway, I hope y'all like this video. Again, if you're going to work on these clocks, you need the 400-day clock repair guide. There is another clock, 400-day clock repair guide out there that Torsion Dell has mentioned to me, but I like the Charles Twilliger 400-day clock repair guide. That has always helped me out, and it gives you a lot of good information in there. Even though the NAWCC says there's a few errors in the book, and you can get on the NAWCC webpage. I might put a link to that in the description of this video. But don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It is free to do so. And please leave me a comment. I respond back to every comment. Please leave me a comment on what you think. God bless.